Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2008 to 2013 Infiniti G37, the 95-7640B. To start, move the shift knob back. Next, take the small bottom panel off. Make sure to cover the console with a sheet to prevent from scratching the surface. Remove the two screws from the left and the right side of the bottom radio panel. Then, unclip and remove the radio panel, making sure to unplug the connectors. Next, remove the top radio panel by taking out the two screws from the left and the right. Unclip and remove. Remove the 4 Phillips screws securing the radio chassis. Then, disconnect all harnesses before carefully removing. Note: here, you would want to keep the AC amplifier box and add to kit assembly. Then, unplug and remove the screen. In this plug-and-play kit, all wiring and interfacing, as well as antenna adapter, are all included. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. Snap the factory vents into the new top panel with hazard and airbag light. After installing the AC amplifier into the new brackets, plug all harnesses into the radio, making all the proper connections. Make sure to plug in the AC control harness, as well as the AC amplifier. Afterward, install the new radio into the dash. Connect the harnesses to the screen and then mount the screen using the screws to secure to the dash. Next, install the vent panel by plugging the harness first, then snapping it into place. Secure the panel with the two screws. Plug the bottom panel in, then snap it into place. Mount the panel using the two supplied 838 screws to secure. Metra offers a small bottom cover panel that will snap into place. There are several options that you can have with this kit. First is the full-size double-din on the bottom and Metra's 7-inch screen on top. You will also have another option to install a shallow mount double-din aftermarket radio on bottom with Metra's 7-inch screen up top. Or you can swap them out. There's only enough room on the top for a shallow mount radio, but you can use Metra's 7-inch screen on the bottom. Power up the radio and check climate control buttons and knobs for functionality. You will also have the option to use the touchscreen as well without using the hard buttons. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.